When looking for the perfect beach for your vacation, the first step is to do some research on Google. But keeping track of all the information can be a bit time-consuming. You may be keeping track of the perfect domestic beaches in notes, and before you know it, your research also branches out to international beaches and family-friendly ones, etc. It is hard to keep it organized. Or you may be saving all the websites you visited in a bookmark folder in your browser, but that is a lot of work and it's not very efficient. Now imagine if you could simply search for a list of best beaches and easily save them to a spreadsheet with just a hover of your mouse. You could also keep your research subcategories separate. Guess what? You can actually do that in Google now. I will show you how to enable that option in a second, but first I will show you how it actually works. When you have the Add to Sheets option enabled, you can do the search as you usually do, then hover over each search result to save it to Google Sheets worksheet. You can save the websites and lists either to an existing worksheet or create a new one. Give it a name and click Create. Then the next website you want to save, it will be by default saved to the one used last, but you can also select a new one. We all know how during any research, if it is a vacation or searching for best colleges, you start branching out into different subcategories. You can easily keep things separate by creating a new worksheet. From there, any future research can be saved in just seconds to any files you already created. At any point, you can quickly go to the saved worksheet by selecting the worksheet to which you saved the file last, which briefly shows up in the bottom left corner. But sometimes that's just too fast. So you can go to Google Apps icon next to your Google Profile option and select Google Sheets. You will see all your Google Sheets files as well as newly created and saved vacation worksheets there. Now, after seeing how fast and helpful this new feature is, let's enable it for you in your Google account. Go to the main page at google.com and check if you see a Search Lab icon in the top right corner next to your profile icon. Click on it and enable the Add to Sheets option. If it's your first time enabling Google Experiment with Search Lab options, you may have to select the Get Started button first. Thanks so much for watching.